Morocco is an Arab Islamic country located in North Africa, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the north, and the state of Algeria in the east. Morocco is characterized by its southern deserts and its landscape diversity of plains, mountains, and forests. It is open to Western global culture because of its proximity to Europe. It is also a popular tourism destination for many people in the world. Moroccan cuisine has been one of the most diverse in the world since ancient times. This is due to Morocco's interaction with the outside world. Four countries, a mixture of Amazigh, Arab, and Maghreb cuisine in the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and Africa. Chefs in Moroccan cuisine have been seen four countries in Fez, Meknes, Marrakesh, Rabat, and Tétouan, the basis of what is known as Moroccan cuisine today. Moroccan cuisine is also ranked first in the Arab world and Africa, and second in the world in 2012. Moroccan cuisine combines all delicacies of the sun, rare spices, fine fish, and delicious meats. Moroccan cuisine is one of the best oriental restaurants in the world, and it inspires your appetite to the fullest. Here is a list of the most important meals offered by the Moroccan restaurant, which should be stated in any way. Meat with plums, grilled chicken, pastilla, couscous, tangia, soup harira, Morocco barbecue, and the list is very long. If you didn't get the opportunity to visit Morocco or taste its delicious dishes, this course is made just for you. It will give you the chance not only to experiment all of these things, but also to learn how to cook it yourself, starting with Moroccan soup in a very easy way, preparing step by step. Moroccan soup is a kind famous soup in Morocco, and the Moroccan soup is usually served during the month of Ramadan. It is an integrated dish in terms of nutritional value. It is an ancient Moroccan tradition full of health ingredients. Moroccan soup is not a regular soup. It has a special taste and a unique way of preparation, and not everyone know how to prepare it in good way. That's why I want to show you in this lesson a correct and quick way to prepare Moroccan soup. Join this course and enjoy Moroccan food with your family and friends.